wanted to say that today's video is proudly sponsored by MADAMGLAM New York. Look at what they sent me. Who is excited to unbox? Let's just get started. So anyways, MADAMGLAM. The press on nail collection by MADAMGLAM is made from quality materials that are light and comfortable for your nail. Express-on nails are professionally made. They also offer professional gel polish and nail polish, all vegan gel, cruelty-free and nine-free formula, quality manicure at your home. Look at these pretty boxes that is sent me. I can't wait to try it on. Now I'm going to try the red one. The big carton, the first thing that comes out of it is the nail sheet. So this is what you will use to fix the nail. So you just have to cut out the part that you want to use and just prep the nail and remove it and put it on top of the nail. This is the red nail. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous. Like honestly, everything has been done, it's been shaped to the right size. You just literally need to put the glue and just stick it on your nail. It looks so cool, like really gorgeous. And the good thing about it is that it's so strong. It's something you can use for like 2 months. So you can also use and reuse. This nail is a must-have. I'm just saving it for an event that I have. And yeah, after I try this red one, the rest is going to be there for whenever I have a very classic event, because I'm not really a person that likes to wear nails all the time due to the job that I have to do. But honestly, if you love nail, you should definitely try it out. So just check for the one that fits the size, and then you stick the nail sheet and just let it stay for some minutes. After you stayed, you just remove the nylon on top, place your nail. And I did this for the other nails. You got to keep doing this until you are done. Make sure that it sticks properly. Look at the after results. Oh, what are you telling me? What are you telling me? It also came with other colors like the pink color and the zebra color. But like I said, I'm saving it for an event I have. So my nails are so gorgeous. It's giving classic lady. It's giving big girl, Welcome to my home. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a house tour. Come in. When you come in into the house, we have this closet, we have a garage. Show them. This is the garage. Let's see. Oops. Look at how big the garage is. It can contain 2 cars. Right now we don't have a car. Now I'm going to show you guys another space that is more like a basement, but it's not a basement, so let's see. This is under the staircase, another storage space, okay? Apart from it, we also have here where you can hang your winter jackets, but we kind of kept our traveling boxes here, traveling bags. And then there's another door. Gonna open it up. Oops. Yes! The study room. It has a piano. I'm gonna play one for you. Can you hear me turn on the lights? This is the study room. I don't know how to play the piano, but probably. And now we have this chair where you can just relax or study. We're probably gonna get a study table and we'll make it a study room. And it actually has a big mirror. This mirror, yep, is the laundry room. Come in. These are the washing machine. And this is like the control system. I have no business with this. This is the cupboard. We have this, we have nothing inside. We have this one. That's all for this place. I don't know what to call it, but I'm the study room. Let's go. this big space over here. I'm gonna turn on the light. Can you hear me turn up the light? Whew. So we have this big space. So my landlord said it's meant to be a room, but I doubt it is. It's actually a dining room for now. We have the scented candle. Ooh. Then over here, more storage space. Nothing is inside at this moment. We also have a toilet. So we have a toilet here. No, it's just a toilet. There's no bathroom. I guess it's a visitor's toilet. It also has its own mirror. Okay, now let's go to the next stop. This is our kitchen. It is a full kitchen. It has its own gas cooker, dishwasher, microwave, whatever. So many storage spaces. Use it up here. It also came with its own utensils. In fact, it's a furnished apartment. It came with everything that we needed. There's a freezer. For now, we haven't stocked it up yet, but we have water, we have some other stuff. Yes, yes, yes. And this is a small, I don't know, maybe it's the game room. Then over here we have another outdoor, a backyard, I guess. Oops. And we have this outside space. I don't know what to call it, but yeah, you can literally grill or host a party and people sit here. I don't know. Yeah.
수아리를 윈단 말이에요? 그 주인자리들이?
황당하지? 함께 책을 읽고 토론하며 진리를 추구한다는 취지는 참 좋은데.
We also have another balcony. I need to learn how to put this in the
Pull it down, pull it down.
Oh yeah, that's true. Yes. Oh my god. Balcony. I don't want to go outside. Okay, let's go, guys. So this is where we have my room, Ezekiel's room, and my brother's room. Over here we have my brother's and Ezekiel's room, and then we have another closet. And from here you can see downstairs. See, this is where we came from. It's actually a 2-story building. We have the toilet. It has a jacuzzi, a shower, and a lot of storage space. Yeah, it's absolutely stunning. You can see I already decorated it with my green leaf because I love minimalistic look. Who is disturbing me in my room? This is my personal space. My room. I'm still setting it up. I haven't set up my, my office. Should I say my setup, my office setup, my table. This is my room, and I'm going to make another video showing you guys my whole room. It's gonna be a room tour because I'm still setting up my room. I have my personal closet. I actually do have a personal closet. This, but I want to show you guys in another video when I'm done setting it up. And I have a toilet of my own. I have my toilet. Yes, it's gonna be in another video.